Hi class, my name is Matthew Sokol and I want to welcome you to Math 140 online for the Accelerated Spring 2023 session. What I want to just do in this real quick video here is show you where everything's located, kind of walk through the course syllabus, talk about how you submit assignments, things like that. Okay, so first off, when you log into the classroom, we're all used to Brightspace now. This is what your classroom will look like. And you can see over here, you can see all the different modules. I actually have the entire class set up for you, and you can see all the module dates corresponded there for you. The way I like to access the class, though, is click under the Content tab here. I just like to see everything scroll down on the side here. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is click on this Course Information tab here. And what you can find here is you can find the course syllabus, some information about myself and the office hours, and I'll go through all this. But the first thing you want to do is you want to click here and you want to download the course syllabus. Okay, and when you do, this is our course syllabus. And so first things first, let me walk you through this. So again, this is Math 140 Statistics for Spring 2023. Our course starts on Monday, 3/20, the Monday after spring break, but you'll actually get access to the course a little early in case you want to log in and start looking at the course. And we run until Monday, May 8th. All right, so as I said, my name is Matthew Sokol. I'm your instructor for the course. I do have an office location on campus. It's in the Technology Building, room 30, in case you ever want to stop by and talk to me. I do have on-campus office hours every Tuesday and Thursday from 10:30 a.m. to 11:55 a.m. I'm just kind of hanging out in my office. I do have office hours via Zoom. I have official office hours via Zoom every Monday from 10 a.m. to 11:55 a.m. And that link for it can be found right here going back into the classroom. The link is right here. I do also offer just general meetings every Wednesday and Friday as well, and also on Mondays outside of those hours. Just have to pick a time that's convenient for both of us, and we can meet and discuss the course. I highly encourage you to take me up on that. A lot of students that I have meet with me once a week just for 15-20 minutes, go over problems. It's a great way to make sure you're learning the material. I'm also happy to look over your homework assignments, things like that. Okay. Going down to course materials. Our textbook is going to be an online free open resource textbook called OpenStax. The link is in the classroom. So when you go back here under course information, there's a link right here, textbook link, and it'll open up this this website called Introductory Statistics with OpenStax. And you can see here the table of contents for the course. You can download a PDF. You can order a print copy. I think it's best to use it online. So, like for example, the first week of the class, we're going to be studying Chapter 1 and Chapter 2, basically. And so, when you'll see in the classroom I assign reading, you can just go here and say, oh, Matt assigned Section 1.1, and you can start your reading as soon as it loads up. As soon as it loads up. A little bit slow today. Here we go. So you can see it this way. Okay? The one thing you will need, though, for the course, and it's going to be required literally the first week of class, is a TI-83 calculator for the course. And you're going to notice as you start watching the lecture video, and I'll pull mine up here, that I'm going to load up an emulator quite often in the lectures. And so, we're going to be doing a lot of different, like hypothesis tests and confidence intervals. And so, there's a lot of different things to input in your calculator here. So you're going to want to have that handy as we go through the course. All right, so this is a general introduction to statistical methods for students in all academic disciplines. Topics include descriptive methods and presentation of data, a thorough treatment of the basic concepts of probability, techniques of statistical inference and decision-making through hypothesis testings, correlation and regression, and non-parametric methods in various subject areas. I have the course additionally. I'll let you read this on your own. I won't waste your time in this video here, but I have a video where I break the course down into 5 different sections in a video that explains this in detail. And I'll show you where that is when we get to the course lectures and things like that. I have down here basically the topics that we're going to cover for each week, start dates, corresponding textbook sections for your reference here. And this is also going to be listed over here for the class. Okay, so I'll go through all of this in a little bit in the video. What I wanted to focus on right now is course assessment, so how your course will be graded. Okay, so there's going to be 10 assignments in our class. Each of these assignments are worth 30 points. Assignments are required to download a problem set and submit your work via Brightspace to me by the due dates listed below. And you can see here how I have the assignments broken down by lectures in the classroom, and I'll show you where all that is in a second. All work that is submitted to Brightspace needs, this is super important, please pay attention to this, it needs to be as a PDF Word document. I can open up JPEGs. I cannot open up iPhone photos or dot pages. Okay, please make sure you, to the best of your ability, save it as a PDF for me, however you do complete your work. Should you submit a file that I cannot open, you're just going to get a 0 on the assignment. Okay, so if you submit a dot pages or an iPhone photo, I can't get it. I won't be able to open it. You'll get a 0. So I do not accept work submitted via email. Okay, I do not like work sent to me via email. I won't accept it that way. Nor will I accept work submitted late. Okay, so you have 10 assignments, 30 points each. There's going to be 2 exams in this class, a midterm and final exam. Each of these are worth 100 points. The midterm exam is going to be due Sunday, April 16th. They're going to cover lectures 1 through 29. It's posted in Brightspace. Final exam is going to be on Monday, is due. You can complete it early. I'll get to that in a second. Monday, May 8th. And that's going to cover lectures 30 through 54. And all this information is posted in Brightspace. All right, so 10 assignments, 30 points, 200-point exams, and then there's going to be 2 statistical projects that require to use technology like Excel to analyze a data set and complete a write-up of your reports. All right, both projects are due the last day of class, Monday, May 8th. Okay. The thing is, though, is the first project focuses on lectures 1 through 17, whereas the second project focuses on the final lectures of the course. Okay. I do encourage you to submit project 1 early, as soon as you finish lecture 17. All right. Each of these projects are worth 50 points. So grades are going to be determined the following way. Assignments, the 10 assignments, 30 points each, total 300 points. They're worth 50% of your grade. The midterm and final are each worth roughly 17% of your grade. And the statistical project is also worth roughly 17% of your grade. Basically what I'll do, say at the end of the course you have 500 total points. There's 600 total possible. You'll have an 83. I will give you a B in the class. And that's how your grade will be determined. Okay. Please note that I don't offer extra credit or makeup work in that case, so just make sure you stay on top of your assignments. That's the most important thing for this course. All right, attendance policy. It's an online course, but make sure you're logging in. Without regular attendance, it's difficult to succeed. You should be logging in 3 times a week. Watch the videos, look at the assignments, things like that. I'll let you read through the rest of the policies in the syllabus, and here are the student learning outcomes for your review. Okay. Now let me show you the actual classroom and how you can find all these assignments, where all the lectures, exams, and projects are found. All right. After the course information, you'll notice I said that there were 10 assignments and their due dates were listed. You'll notice here I have a tab called Assignments and then their corresponding solutions. So the assignments are right here. You can see here it says, okay, assignment number 1, you should be watching lectures 1 through 9, the corresponding due dates. Basically, the way you're going to complete assignments is you're going to click on this link. And there'll be two files here, either a Word document or a PDF. Doesn't matter which one you download. So I'll download the PDF. So basically, you'll download this document. You can either print it off, you can complete it online, you can use the Word document to type your work in. There are some graphs, though, unfortunately, for some of this stuff. So you will have to somehow figure out a way to sketch it by hand on a loose leaf of paper and then either import it into the document or attach it as another file. And then basically after you've done the assignment and completed it, you're just going to go to upload your file when you're ready. You'll just go to wherever you have the file saved. There's just a bunch of different stuff there. You can type in your work and then hit submit to me. Okay, and that's just how you're going to turn in your assignments. After the assignment due dates Okay, the assignments have strong, strict due dates. Here again, none are late, none are accepted late. Going back, sorry. Okay, the next morning at 7 a.m. So they're all due on Sunday. On Monday at 7 a.m. the assignments will open up. So I will always grade the assignments first thing Monday morning, so you'll know your grade. I'll get home by 9 o'clock. By the afternoon, your assignment will be graded in the grade book, and I'll email everyone and let them know that it's completed. But you'll be able to download the solutions as well. I referenced 2 class projects. There's a tab here for your 2 class projects. Okay. Same deal. Here's the first project. Here's the second project. Click on the link, download either the Word document or the PDF, and submit just as you did before. You can read the information about those in the classroom. Additionally, there's 2 exams. You can see an exam tabs here. All right, so these exams are open notes completed on your own. They can test your knowledge of your course. And you can see here, they're just 2 little online quizzes. So you'll notice that I have the midterms broken up into 2 parts. So you can see, part 1 covers modules 1, 2, and 3. These modules over here. Part 2 covers modules 4 and 5. A little bit of a typo, I say units, but it's actually modules here for the finals as well. Modules 6 and 7 are on final exam part 1, and modules 8, 9, and 10 are on part 2. Okay, so when you're ready to take the midterms, you just click on it, and then you start it when you're ready. Okay, and oh gosh, you get 1 attempt at it, and you'll be good to go. All right, and then it'll grade it immediately, and so on. The other thing here, going back, I talked about all these different modules. So the first week of class, you're going to be completing modules 1 and 2. So when you click on them, what you'll notice here is that I have a bunch of different lectures. So you notice how in the syllabus I said lectures 1 through 9 cover your first assignment here. The way these lectures will work is there'll be a little blurb about the lecture and then a link to a video that I've recorded that walks you through the topics related to that video. Then additionally, you'll notice that my videos are me speaking over a PowerPoint basically. There's a PDF of that lecture right there. So you should download the lecture and watch the video and take notes as you go through. So after you watch the first 9 lectures here, same thing. Video, lecture. Video, the corresponding PowerPoint. You'll be able to complete the first assignment. And then after you watch module 2, you'll see again, sometimes it takes a little while for the videos to load. Just know that they will load. Like this one is just taking extra time. You'll be able to, complete assignment number 2 and so on. And so see, eventually it does load right there. So basically there's 10 assignments, 10 modules. Each module corresponds to an assignment. Okay. I hope that makes sense for everybody. If you do have any questions or concerns, I know this was a real quick video. I like to keep them short for everybody. Please email me, let me know. I'm always willing to meet with people via Zoom and explain the course in more detail. I know online courses are a little difficult, but I'm looking forward to working with you all in the coming weeks. And, if you have any questions, let me know.